So coming back to this caliper that I've had issues with, I've tried the slide pins and everything. I think the piston is the problem, so we have an OEM replacement. So we're going to pop that in and see if that fixes it. This little tool's dead handy to block off the brake line. Got those on AliExpress cheap. This is the old one. Have a little closer look at that afterwards. Right, let's stick it on. Right, caliper all in place. One thing I noticed is that this bit here can make a bit of noise, so I've put a little bit of copper grease on there, which I haven't noticed before on the others, so it might help make it less noisy. Not that I've noticed it. So I'm going to get my trusty friend to help me bleed it now.